Welcome to part 2 of how to layer a custom t-shirt. If you missed part 1 of this series, click the link in the top right hand corner of the screen to watch the first video, then come back and watch this one. Pick up where I left off. I've already cut my vinyl and I'm ready to weed. To save on time, I sped this video up. I also would like to give a big shout out to one of our subscribers by recommending to use my cutting mat as a third hand. This helped when weeding. This was a great tip. If you have a tip to add when weeding, I'm interested, so leave a comment below. Just a few things about our vinyl, and I'm hoping you can see this within the time lapse. Our vinyl is very easy to weed, and as you can see, I didn't have to fight with it, and 100% of the vinyl was left behind. The only thing I did have to fight with was my cutting mat. Something I like to do when weeding is starting with the small pieces. This way I don't have to worry about them getting stuck to the carrier sheet when weeding the larger pieces. You watched the last video, you may remember me grouping up all the shapes to save on vinyl. Now what you'll see me do is cut these into smaller shapes and position it on the shirt where it needs to go. Follow my channel, you already know my steps when it comes to lining up my designs. And if you're interested in learning how, I left a link below. Here you can see where I have cut my shapes and now repositioning them to fit the shirt. I will then press the first layer and then finish up with the other layers. If you would like to stay up to date with our channel, click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Now that I got everything lined up, it's time to press. I pressed the first layer for 10 seconds at 320 degrees. Regular white vinyl is a warm peel, so I only had to wait 10 to 20 seconds before peeling. I hit it one more time just to make sure I got all the wrinkles out so I can have a flat surface. Now I added the other pieces to finish off the first layer. See me spot checking with the other layer to make sure I line everything up. Right now I'm adding the final layer. I'm kind of repositioning everything as I had a change of heart with where I wanted some of the things to go. If you're interested in some of the tools and the HTV vinyl I use in this video, check out some of the links below. And again, if you really like this video, check out some of our other videos on our channel as well.